Hi guys, welcome back to Simply Shar. I'm filming another Trader Joe's grocery haul. I want to make this a monthly thing into the new year. Let me know if you're into that. Comment below or like this video if you're into that, if you like my grocery hauls. Anyways, let's get started. I have 3 bunches of bananas because us vegans love bananas, duh. I have a can of jackfruit because I'm making jackfruit nachos. I've been thinking about them. I've been looking at my old food pictures from my first ebook and I've been loving it. Also guys, I'm dropping a new ebook. Yeah, let me just throw that in there. Let me just cats out the bag of new ebook dropping early 2018. Anyways, got a bag of whole carrots, organic, because veggies are life. I have some tomatoes for salads because I've been craving salads a lot lately. I have some pita bread because I've been really into falafel. Like, I usually do falafel bowls, but I like falafel wraps too. So I got this, and I got like this new sauce they have, which I'm gonna show in a second. And then I have my favorite smoothie. I drank half of it on the Uber ride back home because, okay, I went grocery shopping without eating, and don't ever do that, guys. Eat before you go to save coins. But this is my favorite smoothie anyway. It's super good. The ingredients are super clean. It's legit just strawberry puree, apple juice, and chia seeds, which is so good, and it's super hydrating, and it's super cold here in Chicago. Like I said, it's like -1 degrees or something like that. Yeah, and then this is not food, but I bought a bar of Dr. Bronner soap. They have this soap at Trader Joe's. They have the liquid too, and they have this one. I like to take showers with bar soap. I'm super old-fashioned, so that's why I got the bar. I have this shredded green and red cabbage with orange carrots. I like to mix this in with my salad mixes. I like to also use it for stir fries. When I make my homemade lo mein noodle dish, I like to use these too. It's super good. I have a cucumber because I want to make my ghetto sushi wraps, but also I want to use this for salads and all this other stuff. Yeah, I'm trying to up my veggies because I feel like I've been eating a lot of junk food lately. I have some broccoli because, like I said in another video, fresh broccoli is better than frozen broccoli. Like, for real, don't sleep. I have some raw cane sugar for baking, for my coffee, different things like that. I have this organic sriracha and roasted garlic barbecue sauce. This is the best barbecue sauce I ever tasted in my life. My friend Randy, whose channel I always link below, but I'm gonna link it below again because if you're not subscribed to her, what are you doing? But anyways, she put me onto this. Like, this is the best. Like, I use this on everything. Like, I use this for like the nacho. Like, anytime you see me make a barbecue dish on my like social medias, this is the barbecue sauce I use, so go get it. Like, honestly, it's the best decision. I got some organic raw agave because us vegans don't use honey. Sorry, honey, but honey isn't vegan. Also, more than 76% of honey that you see at the store is not real honey anyway, because bees are endangered species. So, like, think about it, guys. They can't produce that much honey. Like, save the bees, switch to agave. This is only $3. And it tastes just as good, if not better, than honey. And it comes from a plant. It's arrived, like agave, the agave plant. You can look it up for more info. But yeah, look into that. Save the bees. Leave the honey alone. I got some vanilla almond milk. This is my favorite brand to get it. If it's not the Khalifa brand, it's the Pacific brand. I also get the 365 brand from Whole Foods, but if I'm at Trader Joe's, I get this brand. I got a can of coconut milk so I can make curries and different things like that when I want. I have another package of nutritional yeast. I always buy this every time I go, even if I have some at home. Like, I have a whole nother like package at home that isn't even fully used yet, but I still bought this because I love make cheese sauces and different things. I got green onions for salads, also for Asian dishes like my homemade fried rice that I'd be making, my homemade lo meins and different things like that. It's super good. Okay, this is a new sauce I was talking about. It's called the Shang sauce. It's a spicy sauce. It got cilantro, jalapenos, chili flakes, garlic, coriander, cumin seeds, and sea salt, and it has canola oil, which I know some people don't like. I don't really mind it. It don't really harm me, and I don't really buy that much stuff with canola oil. But anyways, I want to eat this with falafel, and I will update on my social media, or if I buy it again, you guys will know I like it. But people said this is really good, and I love spicy sauces, so I know with falafel wraps this is good. So this with falafel and pita bread sounds good. I got some wasabi roasted seaweed snack because I'm obsessed with this. I haven't had it in months, and I was thinking about it. I had a dream about it. That sounds so fat, but I actually did. I have gluten-free toasted waffles. Their gluten-free waffles are vegan. I know I said that before, but let me reiterate. These are vegan. These are so good. I have vegetable broth. I always like to keep this on hand to make my homemade soups and different things like that. This is really good to have, just to have on your shelf. I have organic brown rice spaghetti pasta. I use this because they don't have rice noodles there. However, this is technically a rice noodle, so I use this for like my lo mein dishes and different things like that, or like just to make like homemade pastas with my cheese sauce, different things. So I like to keep that on hand. And then I have organic romaine hearts. I like to use this with salads and mix it with the cabbage mixture I bought that I showed you guys earlier. And then I have some hemp seeds. I ran out of hemp seeds, and I love hemp seeds. If you never, hemp seeds is a good thing for omega-3s, omega-6s, and it's very, very high in protein, but also it's good to add in smoothie bowls, smoothies. You can make homemade hemp milk with this. You can do so many things with hemp seeds. I love it so much and make things so creamy. If you don't like chia seeds because of the texture, you will like this better because chia seeds is very gooey. These are creamy, so this would make things so much better. I have ghost pepper chips because ever since my friend Lawrence and his brother Vince put me on to it, I've been obsessed with these. Like, I love these chips so much. Yeah. I'm gonna have some white corn tortilla chips because duh, like salsa, chips and salsa. But also I'm making nachos. I've been really craving nachos. This girl, I don't know her real name, but her name on Twitter is Luna. She always watches my YouTube videos. She's so sweet and supportive, and she just bought my ebook, and she made nachos with my cheese sauce recipe. So I love her for that, but that made me want nachos, so that was the plan. Let me unpack my other bag and let's get it. Okay, I have these Sparkle cookies. I cannot pronounce this right. I just butchered the name. But yeah, these cookies are bomb, hot fire, so good. If you ever fly with Delta, was it the Bosco cookies? These taste just like these. These are only $2. Go get them. So good. I have the vegetable masala burger. Okay, this is a hack, and you about to think I'm Looney Tune AF, but make one of these burgers. And you know those gluten-free waffles I just showed you guys? Use that as bread. So put this burger on the waffles and then add agave. That sounds crazy, but it's gonna be flame. I can't explain it. It's flame. Thank me later. Just try it and thank me later. Like, it sounds weird, but just try it and thank me later. I have coconut aminos because I haven't actually bought these in a long time because I had some for a minute, but I just ran out, so I bought this. I got some quinoa. Some organic white quinoa because I haven't had quinoa in a long time. I've been stuck on rice. I'm trying to I'm trying to decrease my weight. I'm just trying to be more healthier because like I said, I fell off. So we got some quinoa. I have another can of garbanzo beans. I buy a can of these every time I go to the store. Like, I know I have some at home, but I buy some just so I will never run out because I love to make falafels. I love to make curries. I need chickpeas. Like, these are the best beans ever, like, no debate. These, and then black beans, and then pinto. You can fight me in the comments. I don't care, bro. I got soy creamer. Please don't be in my comments telling me how soy isn't good for me, because I already know. But don't come in the comments. Anyways, soy creamer is the best creamer because it makes your coffee creamy. Yeah, and I like creamy coffee. Like, let's be honest. Like, I like creamy coffee. Like, bye. I have some chocolate chips. Yeah, because I buy these every time I go there. It's like a routine. I have a bell pepper because duh. I have a head of, sorry, this head is so big. I had a cauliflower because I love cauliflower. You know, I live by cauliflower. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this yet. I will update once I find out. I have some frozen pineapple tidbits to put in smoothies. I already have frozen berries in my fridge. It's so cold that, okay, if you know me, you know I don't like eating apples on purpose, so you will never catch me buying a bag of apples unless it's for a dessert, okay, honey? Like, I'm sorry. And I've been waiting on blood oranges to come back in season. So if you seen them in your city, comment below. Let me know because I'm still looking for blood oranges. Trader Joe's don't have any yet. I don't know what's going on. I have some jalapenos because I love spicy foods. I like making my own ranch. I like throwing jalapenos in that. I like throwing these on nachos. I just like jalapenos, okay? I like throwing them on burrito bowls. I just like spice, okay? Because I'm spicy. Anyways, I have this Green Goddess salad dressing. These are their new salad dressings. These are so good. They got avocado, green onion, lemon juice, chives, basil, and garlic. This is so good. Usually I just make my own salad dressing, but the salad dressing is the bomb diggity. Yes, I just said bomb diggity because it's that good. I have this organic unsweetened plain soy milk because, fun fact, this make your dishes and cheese sauces creamy. I love making cheese sauces with soy milk. You can also use any other plant milk, but I think it comes out the best with soy milk, like cheese sauces. If you add it to like curry dishes, anything like these come like this, make it so creamy. Like I can't explain it. Like it's something, I don't know. Look into it, but listen, just believe me, just trust me. Trust me, this is good. And then last but not least, I got coffee because I haven't had coffee in a long time and I love it, and I haven't had it at home because I've been trying to stay away from it, but we back. Anyways, this is the end of my grocery haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know what you buy from Trader Joe's, what your favorite things are. If you don't have a Trader Joe's, let me know what grocery store you go to primarily. Let me know if you want me to start showing you my little small mini Whole Foods hauls, because I go to Whole Foods for like little stuff. If you'd like to see something like that, let me know below. Anyway, you guys, I love you. I hope your new year is starting off great like mine, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.